Just a quick video of the dollar Walmart headlights that I put in my Tamiya TT-02. Sorry, there's some garbage under it here, but there's 3 holes drilled, and then what I've done is on the underside I've mounted these $1 LED lights with replaceable batteries from Walmart. When I got them, they had these little clips on the back that had to be removed, and then there was some sanding that needed to be done on the edges to make it that fit the contour. I used 3M industrial double-sided tape for mounting, and I held it on there. There's 3 LEDs in the light, so I marked with a Sharpie where they were and then drilled the holes accordingly. So for about $5 I've got headlights. I think it looks pretty nice, and doesn't seem to get even close to the tires even when I bought them out or any of the other electronics. So hope you like the video.